What's the most evil thing you've ever baked? I had a coworker who treated our break room fridge like his personal snack bar. Every single day, someone's lunch would vanish. My homemade lasagna, gone. Even Tom's protein shake with his name written in huge letters somehow went missing. The worst part, he'd always look concerned and say, must be the cleaning staff taking things again. He'd say it so convincingly that our manager called a meeting with the cleaning crew about it. I watched him for weeks. He had a pattern. Desserts disappeared first, especially homemade ones. He just couldn't resist them. That's when I got an idea. I spent Sunday night baking brownies, but these weren't just any brownies. They were made with sugar-free ingredients that are known to have interesting effects on the digestive system. I placed them in the break room with a note, homemade treats, please enjoy. By 10 a.m., half the plate was gone. By 10:30, the rest had disappeared. By 11, he was making his first desperate run to the bathroom. I watched as he spent the entire day rushing to the restroom. He tried to play it cool between trips, but his face told a different story. The next morning, he brought in regular brownies. They sat untouched. He wouldn't even glance at them. It's been 3 months since then. Mysteriously, not a single lunch has gone missing. The cleaning staff must have found their contacts dismissed.